Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money on FNB without an app in 2025. If you're an FNB customer who's tired of dealing with apps or just prefers the old school methods, this guide is for you. By 2025, banking might have evolved, but we're focusing on reliable, app-free options like online banking via your computer or phone browser, USSD codes, and even ATM transfers. Let's jump right in. First things first, the easiest way is through FNB's online banking website. Start by grabbing your computer or a mobile browser. Head over to the official FNB website and log in with your username and password. Make sure you're on a secure connection to keep your info safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. You'll see options to select the account you're transferring from and the recipient's details. Enter the amount, add any necessary references, and double-check everything before hitting confirm. It's that straightforward. If you're on the go and don't have internet access, try FNB's USSD banking. Simply dial *120 *3279# on your phone, follow the prompts to log in, and select the transfer option. You'll need your PIN ready. Enter the recipient's account number, the amount, and confirm the transaction. This method is quick and works even in low-signal areas, which is a game-changer for 2025's unpredictable connectivity. For those who prefer in-person banking, visit an FNB ATM or branch. At an ATM, insert your card, enter your PIN, and look for the Transfer Funds option. You'll need the recipient's details handy. If you're at a branch, a teller can assist you directly. Just bring your ID and proof of the account. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always verify recipient details to avoid errors, keep an eye on any transaction fees, and set up notifications for confirmations. Remember, security is key. Never share your login details. By 2025, FNB might have updated their systems, so check their website for the latest info. There you have it, folks. Transferring money on FNB without an app is simple and efficient. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it went. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.